Hey everyone, Forrest here. Excuse me, ripping 2 boxes for Scott M. Got a 2020 Mosaic football choice, a 2020 Prizm first off the line football. Thanks again, Scott. Good luck, man. Start with Mosaic choice. Didn't cut it at all. See a black and gold. Okay. Rookie silver, Jeff Okuda. Okay, Mosaic choice auto, Willie Galt. Not numbered. Black and gold /8, George Kittle. Nice. 2 of 8, George Kittle. There you go, Scott. Very nice. Got Reds. Devontae Parker. Ooh. Devontae Parker red. /80. Peacock, Richard Sherman. 49ers choice box here. Nice Peacock. Awesome box so far, man. Rookie red, green, silver, Javon Kinlaw. And Chase Claypool. Nice. And Mosaic Aaron Jones. Silver Mosaic on the back. Good stuff there, man. And first off the line, Prizm football. Brady. Robert Woods silver. Chris Carson green hyper /175. Jake Fromm, Kyle Duggar. Wagner insert. Hunter Renfro, blue cracked ice /99. Jalen Hurts, rookie base. Nice Hurts and an Ayuk. Taysom Hill, Edwards-Helaire rookie base. Gandy Golden. Russ insert. Purple Power, Peyton Manning /49. Purple Power Peyton. 44/49, not bad. Jerry Jeudy. Anthony Jennings, rookie base. Orange Nick Bosa /249. Getting all the 49ers cards in this personal. Justin Jefferson rookie base. There you go, Scott. James Morgan. Mar Jackson insert. Green Shimmer, Phillip Rivers. 2 of 5. There you go, Scott. Nice Rivers to 5. Green Shimmer. Antonio Gibson. Raekwon Davis rookie base. Silver rookie DJ Dallas. Purple Tremaine Edmonds to 125. Jeremy Chin. And Justin Herbert rookie base. Nice Herbert. Grant Delpit rookie green scope to 75. Henderson, Wilson. Come on, let's see a big auto. Come on. Come on. Damon Arnett rookie red shimmer auto to 35. Not bad. 26 of 35. Asiasi, Kenneth Murray. Denzel Mims, emergent rookie. Jeff Gladney, rookie orange to 249. Denzel Mims, Epinesa. Brandon Cooks, silver auto, not numbered. Igbenogany, Fulton. Mahomes base. Le'Veon Bell Brilliance. And a red shimmer Cole Beasley to 35. Joshua Kelly and Chase Young rookie base. There you go, Scott. Thanks again. Get the cards right out to you.